because today we're going to be testing if Subbot actually works and how I can use it to become successful on YouTube. Let's go.
The clip you are about to see is a video I found on YouTube which explains what Subbot is used for and how it works.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to Subbot on YouTube to get as many subs as you want for free. It doesn't cost anything. You can get as many as you want. It depends on how long you do it for. There's a lot of reasons you'd want to be monetized on YouTube. It looks pretty cool. You can get monetized after you have 1,000 so you can make money off the videos that you post. More people will click on your stuff because you'll look like a better YouTuber. So, I'll show you how to do it. I just tried it yesterday and it works. First thing you want to do, you go to your channel, you gotta get your link. Drag control, copy. Or you can do this and copy it. And you go over to here to subpals.com. You're gonna enter this into your domain. Click enter, you go to this website. You click try now. I'm not gonna log in because I don't want you guys to see my thing. But you go ahead, you paste in your thing, right there, it has your link. You fill out this thing, if one pops up, you just click I'm not a robot, and let me in right now, right? So then the password, I'm not gonna log in because I don't want y'all to see my password. But you just put your password in and I'll walk you through what you do once you're in, right?
I'm kinda skeptical about this because he could have just paused the recording and logged on and continued the video from there.
So once you're in, you're gonna select free service, and things will pop up saying channels that you can subscribe to. You just want to subscribe to as many as possible, and you'll just start gaining subscribers. You don't have to do anything after that. All you have to do is sub to people, and that's it. This is the easiest Subbot method. You get a ton of subs easily. See, I have over 1,000 subs. This will get you 5,000 subscribers a day, easily. It's a very good method.
Even though I'm like 99% positive that this is total BS, I'ma try it and get y'all the results. Another thing I wanna add is that this dude made this video over a year ago and hasn't gained a single subscriber since, so it clearly didn't work for him.
Okay, so I tried out the website and I wasn't able to log in or use the service at all. Using my enhanced observational skills, I was able to deduce that this guy's video was a load of bull crap. Remember, true believers, there is no shortcut. Work hard because your output is dependent on your determination.